Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair from Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you a quick method to get approved artwork for business cards prepped for output. Now these were already designed in CYMK and they already have the 1/8 inch bleed that you could see, which is the red lines going through here. So we shouldn't have to worry about that because it was already designed with that in mind. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to outline all of our text, and the quickest way to do that is to go to Select, Object, and then all text objects. Next you're going to do Shift Control O, and that's going to outline all the text. As you see, it took everything, created outlines, good to go. Next, what you're going to want to do, if this wasn't already set up, now we'd already designed this before we started implementing this process. So what we're going to do is we're going to rename our artboards. So it's going to be our naming convention. So it's going to be order number 6641-01, which is the product, -1, which is the version, -4, which is the revision. Then we're going to do underscore P because it's ready for print, underscore 3.5 by 2, which is the size, underscore BC for business card, underscore side 1, underscore, we'll just say Wink because that's the guy's name, underscore greater is coming, which is the customer name. So then we're going to do Control A, Control C to copy it, and we're going to rename artboard number 2, except we're going to just slide in here and change side 1 to side 2. Okay, so now that's all set up. Now if we do a Control Alt E to export for screens, you're going to go ahead and you're going to get this menu popping up. So you're going to want to include bleed, select all, 7243, that is not the correct order number. So we just need to make sure it's going to where it needs to go, which is 6642. So we'll just click in here, 6642. And this is going into the print files folder, which is now the production folder. Again, this was created a long time ago and it's finally got approved. Select folder, so we're good to go there. On this one, we don't need the proof, so we could just go ahead and turn that on. And we've already got it set up to press quality PDF. So as soon as you do that once, you'll never have to do it again. And then export artboard. And now you have print ready files for business cards. Thanks for watching.